Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to another episode of the Canning Nana. So today I just want to do a really quick video, and we are going to be doing a Pumpkin Palooza collaboration. It is put on by Mary Ellen at Prepper Potpourri, and I just want to invite any of you, any of my subscribers that want to take part in this amazing Pumpkin Palooza collaboration. You can do that by posting a video. You can email me for all the details, but you just need to do hashtag Pumpkin Palooza in your video in the title, and you can make something using pumpkin. So it's pumpkin time, right? So it's October, and we're all going to be using pumpkins or something, and I want to show you guys how to make a delicious pumpkin cheesecake swirl bread. That's going to be mine. And what you want to do is post your video on October 18th. All of the videos are going to go out at that time. There are numerous channels doing that. We are hosting, there's probably about 15 channels that are host channels like this one. And we are all inviting all of our subscribers to take part. So it's going to be a really, really big collaborations, including subscribers, which we haven't done yet. So at least not in many years, I haven't done something like that. So I'm really, really excited for this, and can't wait to see what you guys are going to do. I just want to show you a little bit of where I am too, where we are way south in California. Going to taking the kids to Lion Country Safari that I grew up with. Actually, it's San Diego Zoo Safari, and then we're going to take you to the San Diego Zoo. So yeah, we're going to have a really good time, and this is Dixon Lake. This is where we camped last night. So awesome, beautiful place. But I did want to come on here because I was supposed to do this video a couple days ago, but there's been so much going on. I will tell you guys all about that when I get back. This is my break, taking a mental break for a few days, because there's been a lot going on for the last couple months. So yeah, this is my little getaway. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, email me at thecanningnana@gmail.com, and I'm happy to answer any questions. And also, please email me if you're going to be a part of this, so that I know and that I can tell everybody else who we have doing this. I think we are going to have hundreds of people doing this collaboration, which is going to be just really cool. So thanks for watching, you guys, and I will see you soon. This is a little view. So pretty. So, okay. Have a great day, you guys, and more videos coming. I will take videos of where I'm going and what we're doing. Gonna have some fun mental health day. Yes, take some time out for yourself. Don't be stressed, and be kind to one another. I'll see you soon.